I'm going to show you how to capture text that is in an image in Google Keep. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a new note with image, and I've just got this image right here that I'm going to upload. It's a flyer for our business and industry show. So it's going to come in here, and when it loads in, I will come right here and I will say grab image text. And what will actually happen is it'll take all of the image that it can read in your text. And actually, you'll see it did a pretty nice job. I'll scroll back up so you can kind of see. It did a really nice job of grabbing all the text in the image. So this is a quick way to get things that are like scanned and you need the text out of them. You can do that right into Google Keep. It's not 100% accurate, but it's pretty accurate. And the text actually has to be in a typewritten format. It can't be like handwritten text. It won't be able to read your handwriting. But if you have something in a typewritten thing, then you can do that, and you can actually cut and paste this text elsewhere. So it's a great way of getting text out of a flyer or an image or a PDF.